Hey y'all, good afternoon. This is Coop 69 doing an unboxing of my Trimac F1s from Anger Management. Down there in the valley of California. How's everybody this morning, this afternoon, should I say. Man, he really sealed this joint. He sent the priority mail, so you know that's 3 days. He got that heat pack in here, and it's still warm after 3 days. Well, he mailed it Monday, and today is Wednesday. Oh, that feels good. Anger Management 8+3 F1 Rio Saribr Trimac. And that's Freddie Rodriguez, Anger Management Cichild. 8+3, I bought 8, he gave me 3 extra. I'm gonna float these, but I'm gonna start these off in a 10-gallon. Buy them beds so small. And that's 4 of them in there. And they look good. And the wood is still warm. They're about 1.5 inches. Looking good. F1 Trimac. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. And everybody's living, doing good. 4, 5, 6, yep. Yep, so everything's good on this. I'm gonna float these and hopefully when I find out where I'm gonna put them at, because I'm being so small, I'll do another video on after I acclimate them and everything. But as of now, everybody's doing fine. And Bonnie and Clyde in here. I got an empty 55. Water just going. Babies are healthy. They reaching 2.5 inches and some more. 3 inches. Temperature all right on everything. Everybody looks healthy. God bless. I'm out. Anger Management Cichilds. 811 F1 Trimac Rio Saribr. Got me some General Cure and some more Netflix. Peace.